First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 35 daily score booster questions. First, we are going to see simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the instant notification about my videos. Let's see question number 1. 15 27 times. I know 15 table. 15 7 times is 105. 15 2 times is 30 and this will be 40. 405. Okay. Minus, we write minus value in the side. 13 5 times is 65. 32 times is 26. 32 325. 14 3 times will be 42. 14 2 times is 28. 322. Okay, this will be 11 into 37 will be 7 here. Some of these two will be 10. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 407. So we need to find the solution for this. Here we have 7, 2 and 7. Here we have 2, 3, 7. So the difference between these two is minus 5. So answer will be option A. Next, second question. Here I know 11.11% is nothing but 1 by 9. But here we have 44.44. So it will be 4 by 9 into 729. 9 81 times into 4 times 8 4 8 3 24. Okay, the value of this one we got is 324 plus 37% of the 2 percentage and double zero should be cancelled, so we left with 37 into 22. 37 into 2 into 11, this will be 74 into 11 means some of these two numbers in between will be 104 and 814. The value for this one will be 814 plus 15% of 620. I see percentage 5 multiple single 0 and 2 multiple 5 3 times 2 31 times. So answer will be 3 1 times 3 3 3 times 93. So totally we have here one more thing is here 19 percentage of 420. So 19 into 442 by 10. 19 2 times is 38. 19 4 times is 76 79. So 79.8. So what we left to is 324 plus 814 plus 93 plus 79.8. So totally we have 0.8 here. 12 plus 8 20 5 10 19 21. This will be 5 13 1 3 1 0.8. So our answer will be option B. Third question. Here we have 16.66 percentage. We know the fraction value of this one as 1 by 6 into 216. We know 216 as 6 cube. So we left with 6 square, which is 36 plus 66.66 percentage. We know 33.33 percentage, which is nothing but 1/3. But here we have 66.66, which means 2/3 into 480. 16 times. So we get here is 320 plus 21 into 42 divided by 10. 21 2 times will be 42. 21 to 4 times is 84 88. So we get 88.2 from this one plus 15% of 240. I know percentage 5 multiple single 0 2 multiple 5 3 times 2 12 times. So we get a 36 from here. So totally we have 36 plus 320 plus 88.2 plus 36. So we have 0.2. 12 plus 8 20, and here we have 18 and 4. 480.2 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next, fourth question. 25% of 480, which is 25% means one fourth. One fourth means one fourth of 480 will be for 1 times 420 times. We have 20% of 400. So we have 20 into 4 will be 80 plus 16% of 250. Percentage 2 multiple, single zero and 5 multiple. 2 4 times and 5 times. 2 8 times. Wait a second. This is 2 8 times is 16 and 5 times. Here we have 19 into percentage and double zeros cancel. We have 21. So totally we have 120 plus 80 will be 200. 200 plus 40. 240 plus 19 1 times will be 19. 19 2 times is 38, 39. So totally we have 9, 3, 6, 39 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth question. Here we have 19 into 27. This is, I know 19 table. 19 7 times will be 133. 19 2 times is 38. So 513 is the answer for this one. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. Here we have 47 into 53. I can clearly see that it is 50 minus 3 into 50 plus 3. So looks like a minus b into a plus b whole square formula. A minus b into a plus b formula. We get a square minus b square. A square means 2500 minus b square means minus 9. So we get 2491 minus. This is looks like a 40 minus 2 and 40 plus 2. So a square minus b square. 40 square it will be 1600 and 2 square will be 4. So we get a 1596 plus 16 1 times is 16, 16 2 times is 32, 33. So totally we have 513 plus 2491 plus 336 minus 1596. So this 6 and this 6 cancel, we left with the 4 at the unit. This line and this line cancel, we left with the 4. Okay. This 5 and this 5 cancels, we left with 7. 2 and 1 cancels and we left with only 1. 1744 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question. Here 126. I can know the factors of this one is 14. 9 times is 126. So plus and minus is minus and plus. Here 120 means 12 10 times. Minus and plus means plus. Okay, by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Second question. 55 means 11 5 times. We got 16. Minus and plus means both are in positive. Here 176. 11 16 times is 176. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Third question. 54. 54 means 18 3 times. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables to find the factors easily. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here 30 minus 30 minus 30. So we need to get 13. So 15 2 times. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next 40. 22 times is 40 and we got 18. Plus and minus means minus and plus. 110. 110 means 11 10 times. Minus and plus means plus and plus are the roots. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next question. Here we have x square minus, this will be 17x. This comes this side with a plus, so 70 equals to 0. So the roots will be 10 7 times. Minus and plus, the roots are in positive. This will be 30. 5 6 times is 30. minus and plus, the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Here in the first question, uh, here it is nearly 5 times. 5 18 times will be 90, and 5 2 times is 10. This is looks like mm, here plus wait a second, here minus 20. This is minus 20. Here it is into 3 becomes 21. 7 4 times is 28. 7 3 times 21, and 2 238. Okay, here minus 20. Here it will be into 9 times, into 9 into 7 into 5, minus 20 minus 20. So into 5 value is 1090, but our we have 1080, so our wrong number will be 1080. This is odd number decreasing, into 9 into 7 into 5, in between minus 20 minus 20. So into 5 means we got 1090, but here it is 1080. So this is the wrong number. Let's see second question. Here we are going with the differences. Here the difference is 8, 4 and 1. Here the difference is 0, 5, 1, 150. Here the difference is 2, 5, 1. Here the difference is 5, 5, 1. So according to these three, this is wrong number, and here the difference between these two is 5, 5 and 1. This is wrong number. So our wrong number is in between these two. 6080 is our wrong number. It must be 154 and it must be 156. Okay, here we're going to see question number 3. Here we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is 22. Here the difference is 44. Difference between these two is 62. Here the difference is 92. The difference between these two is 110. So it is clear that this is 11 factor. This is also 11 factors. 11 2 times, 11 4 times, 11 10 times. So it must be 11 6 times and 11 8 times. These are wrong. So our wrong number is 133. Next one. Here uh, it is multiplications. Into 3 becomes 28. So nearly 9 times. Here it is 4 becomes 31. 4 7 times is 28. 7 4 times. Okay, let's see. 7 5 times is 35. 7 4 times 28, 31, and 7 4 times will be 12. 7 4 times 28, and 3 3 115 plus this will be 49. So into 7 plus 7 square. Here you will see 85 becomes 45. So into 5, which means 4425 plus this will be 20. Here it will be into 3 times 75 plus 10. Here it is into 1 plus 1. So it must be into 1 plus 1 square, into 3 plus 3 square, which is not 10, into 3 plus 9. Here it must be into 5 plus 5 square, which is 25. So these two are the wrong. Into 7 plus 7 square. Here it must be into 9 plus 9 square, which is 81. 9 4 times is unit digit is 6, and the unit digit for this one will be 1. So sum of these two we get 7. So these are the wrong. So our wrong number is 85. Next, fifth question. Here the difference between these two is 3. Here 8, 15. The difference between these two is 24, and here 34. Let's see. I know this as 2 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1, 5 square minus 1. This must be 6 square minus 1, which is 35, not 34. So wrong number is 100. Now we are going to see missing number series. In the first question, we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is 6. Here the difference is 12. Here the difference is 20. So here there is a difference of 6, 8. So it must be the difference of 10 means 30. 79 plus 30 will be 109. 109 means here 12 means 42. 109 plus 42 will be 151. So our answer will be option A, 109. Second question. Here I can see that 14 3 times is 42. This will be into 4 times. It is into 5 times. So this must be into 6 times. 6 4 times is 4, 6 8 times 48 50. 5040 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next question. Here we're going to see the differences. Here the difference is 1 5 and 5. Here the difference between these two is 1 6 5 561. Here the difference is 1 7 5. Okay, there is a difference of 10 in between these numbers, so it must be 581. Next one must be 591. 1767 plus 581 will be 8 4 3 2. 2348 is our answer. 2348. Option D is our answer. Next, fourth question. Here we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is 343. Okay, it is 7 cube. Here the difference between these two is 64. Here the difference between these two is 27. So it is 3 cube, 4 cube. The next one must be 5 cube. Its next one must be 6 cube. 216 and 125. 106 plus 125 will be 231. 231 plus 216 will be 441. So our answer will be option A, 231. Next, fifth question. Here the difference between these two is minus 71. Here the difference between these two is minus 73. Difference of 2. Let's see this. The difference between these two is 5 and 7, 75. So another 2. So it must be minus 77, minus 79. 746 minus 77 will be 9. 73 minus 7 will be 66. 669 minus 79. We get a 590. So our answer will be 669. Option B is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. The method we use for inequalities is flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we say that the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with questions. First conclusion, the flow from I to A. From I we can reach to H, but we cannot able to reach to A. So first conclusion will be false. Let's see second conclusion. The flow from Z to C. From Z we can reach up to H but not to C. So second conclusion is also false. Let's see second question. The flow from P to Q with everywhere equal to. From P we can reach to LV. Okay. From V we cannot able to reach to Q. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. The flow from Q to L. From Q we can reach to V. From V we cannot reach to L. So second conclusion is also false. We have Q and Q. If it is P equals to L, then it will be either or case may be. Here we have P equals to L. So we have all the two are same. Q is lesser, Q is equal to, Q is greater. So it is either or case. Either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. Okay. Next, third question. The flow from P to T. From P we can reach to F and Z but not to T. So first conclusion will be false. From the flow from I to F. From I we can reach to F. So second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see question number 4. The flow from B to N with everywhere equal to. From B we can reach to L or else PDT. From T we can reach to N. So here we have equal to, here is also equal to and equal to. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, The flow from U to D. From U, we can reach to QE, but not to N and not to D. So second conclusion will be false. Fifth question, the flow from P to U. From P, we can reach to U. Possible. First one will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from C to H. From C, we can flow up to H. Yes, it is true. Both 1 and 2 are true here. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Only a few, blue is white. At most, white is pink. At most is nothing but a sum. At most, what actually means is maximum. Maximum. It is saying about maximum but not full. So, at most white is pink means some white is pink. No pink is purple. Let's see conclusion. Some blue is not purple. We check all blue can be purple because of not here. All blue can be placed inside purple. Is it possible? Yes, we can place in a possible diagram. So all case possible means some not case will be fails. Second question, all white can be purple. All white can be placed inside purple. No, it is not possible. So second conclusion is also false. Next, second question, only a few cup is bowl. Some bowl is glass. All glass is plate. Let's see conclusions. Some bowl is a plate. It is direct conclusion. So we need to check a bowl and a plate. There is sharing of some part. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. Some plate is cup. It is also direct conclusion. We need to check a cup and plate. This is cup and this is plate. There is no direct relation between these two in our basic Venn diagram. So this is false. Let's see question 3. Some maths is reasoning. All reasoning is English. No English is computer. So let's see conclusion. Some maths is not computer. We see not here. So we check all math can be computer. All math can be placed inside computer. Is it possible? No. All case fails means some not case will be true. Second conclusion. No computer is reasoning. We check some computer is reasoning is possible or not. Some computer can share with reasoning. No. Some case fails means no case will be true. Okay, now we are going to see question number 4. Some paper is pen. Only pen is pencil. So pencil is inside pen and doesn't share with anything except a pen. Let's see third conclusion, third statement. No pen is marker. No pen is marker. Conclusion, some marker is paper. It is direct conclusion and there is no relation between these two. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, no marker is paper. Here this is marker and this is paper. We check the some case. Some marker is paper is possible. We can share some part of paper with a marker. So some case is possible. Some case possible means no case fails. Both are false. But here marker and marker, paper and paper. So here one statement is positive and one statement is negative. So it is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. Next, fifth question. Only a few tiger is jaguar. Some jaguar is leopard. No leopard is cheetah. Conclusions. No leopard is tiger. We check some leopard can be tiger. Some leopard can share with tiger. Yes, it is possible. All case, some case possible means no case will false. Second conclusion. Some jaguar is not cheetah. We see not here. So we check all jaguar can be cheetah. All jaguar can place inside cheetah. All case cannot possible here. All case not possible means some not case is true. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. 8 persons sitting in 2 parallel rows. Let's see. What is the question here is 8 persons are sitting in 2 parallel rows consisting 4 people each in such a way that there is equal distance between adjacent people. In row 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 are sitting and all of them are facing north. So we take 1, 2, 3, 4. Row 1. Row 1 contains 1 to 4 people. Row 2, 5 to 8 are sitting in the north to south, facing south. So it is they are 5 to 8 and facing south. Each person in row 1 faces another one in row 2. So let's note the statements. P2 sits immediately to the right of P4. So 2 is the immediate right of 4. Next, 4 who faces 6. 4 faces 6. P1 does not sit at the extreme end of the row. So in that case, one place either here or another possibility is here. Now 4 immediate right person is 2 means the only place we left is here. In this case we have 4 and 2 here. So it is 3. It is 3. 4 faces 6. 4 faces 6. Next one. P7 second to the right of the one who faces 2. One who faces 2 second to the right, which is 7. So this is the place for 7. In this case 2 facing, there is no second person in the right side. So this case fails. Only this case is true. Next, the number of people sitting between 4 and 3. 4 and 3 means only 1 is same as people sitting between 7 and 8. So 7 place is here. So 8's place is here. Because there is only one person sitting between them is same as between 7 and 8. So only one person. So we have 5 here. So this is our solution. Let's see what is the questions asked. What is the position of 5 with respect to 6? Second to the right. Second to the right is answer. First one answer is option A. Second question. How many people sit between 6 and the one who faces 1? 6 and the one who faces 1. None. No one sits between them. Option E is our answer. Now we are going to see question number 3. 4 of the 5 are alike. We need to find the odd one out. 5, 2, 6, 8. 5, 2, 6, 8 and 3. So answer will be 6. Option C is our answer. Because all remaining 4 are in edges at the ends. But not 6. So answer will be C. Who among the following persons sits second to the right of 3? Second to the right of 3 is 4. P4. So answer will be option D. Fifth question. Which of the following statement is true regarding 3? Okay. P3 sits immediate left of the one who faces P2. No. P3 and P1 are immediate neighbors. Yes. B is true. So answer will be option B. By this we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.